Hello, Jambo Moi. It's me, Hilona_KE. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We thank the Lord so much for this beautiful, beautiful morning. My people, today is a special day. This is the third Sunday of June. And June is a special month, carrying a lot of things. This is the month of men's mental health awareness, and today is Father's Day. To all father figures, from me, Ilona_KE, I'm wishing you a happy Father's Day and a happy month that you may take care of your mental health. Whatever you do, take care of your mental health. For me here, I am here to wish my father happy Father's Day. Thank you, Dad, for always being there for us. Thank you, Dad, for always supporting us, for always encouraging us, and for always telling us that everything is possible. Only depend upon the Lord and everything will work out to your favor. The favor of the Lord is enough. Thank you also to all father figures who are doing wonderful job each and every time, each and every day. You know, without a father, the world is the world could not continue, you know. The generations could not continue. So we appreciate all fathers in a special way. To all fathers who are near me, may you enjoy this day. May you always be the present father in your families, in your communities, so that we instill the virtues of our fatherhood to the next generations, so that we get responsible fathers in the coming generations also. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm here to share with you this special video whereby I am a child of a farmer, and being a child of a farmer, the farming always comes with its own struggles. That's why we were told that you are not great to start something, but you are starting to be great. So struggles, we have to go through them for greatness to come. So come along with me. I've decided in this morning walk that let me collect some flowers for fathers. So stay tuned so that we can get to see. Also, fathers need flowers. Men need flowers. It's not only about ladies thing. Flowers is not only about ladies thing. So stay tuned. Come along with me. Oh, welcome and welcome. What comes to your mind when you see flowers? When you see flowers, for example, these one were the dandelions. The yellow flowers, no more. They are gone. Now we have these white flowers. And these other yellow ones, which I don't know the name, this other type. What comes to your mind when you see flowers flowering and shading off? What comes to your mind when you see flowers? Food for the thought. They flower today, they perish tomorrow. So live each and every moment to your fullest. Yes, yes, yes. My people, Hilona is here. Nature always produces a lot of beautiful things. Even though I cannot name them, but very beautiful. And I could like to appreciate all fathers in a special way, in a very special way. Remember that you are valued. You are always there for a purpose. And it is my prayer that you accomplish the purpose that God has given you in this world, you know. In this world, we are like a passing wind or smoke. And it is my prayer that as you continue living in this world, may you always accomplish that purpose that God has installed in your life. For you to be called a father, it's a task of its own. And it's my prayer that may you embrace that task to the next level. So for me, in this video, continue watching up to the end, the struggles of gardening. Welcome and welcome and welcome. Yes. Thank you, Dad, for always teaching us that you can do anything wherever you are, provided you are passionate about it. The passion you instilled in me, I appreciate. Thank you and God bless you. Yes, Dad. Flowers are very important, and men also need flowers. Don't say that men don't need flowers. Oh, men need flowers. So I'm here to present the flowers to the one and only who made me to be a mother and is a father. So thank you to all fathers. We appreciate you. We never take you for granted. May God always bless the work of your hands. May God always guide you. May God always give you the wisdom and knowledge to forge forward and to take this generation to the next level and the coming generations. So, before I kick off with this gardening, we have to present the flowers. So, watch this video up to the end. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. As we explore, we inspire each other and we have fun. Come along. We are here to explore more and more and more. And we are doing the gardening, you know. Garden answers. And it is time to get the soil. And whenever we are going to get the soil for gardening, there is always a difference between the farming and the gardening, you know. So for those who are doing gardening, mostly we buy soil. And here in Finland, soil is quite expensive. But for those who are doing farming, they already have the farms. So there is no need of buying the soil. So for us today, enjoy this video up to the end. We have come to take this, we call it perakaru. We call it vaunu. Do we call it a fan in English? Or wheelbarrow? Or which name? Trailer. For us, we have come to take a trailer so that we can go and take the soil, you know. So I'm here to explore, to inspire you, and that we have fun together. So as we explore, I came to this place whereby we come and take this. For these trailers, the small trailers, we always use them for carrying things from one place to another. A person can have his or her own trailer, and if you don't have, you can also rent. It's very much affordable. It's not so expensive. So we have different kinds of trailers, different sizes. For example, this one is the one without the lid. And then we have those ones and the small ones. So we are going to take the soil with you. We go and do the gardening. We get to enjoy the struggles together, the struggles of gardening. The journey may not be easy, but the fruits are always the best. The fruits are always the best. It's like life. The struggle is not easy, but the fruits are always the best. So, let's go and get the soil. Stay tuned. Welcome. They also have this kind of, this one is the one people used to take their boats to the lake and back to their houses or to their stores. And they also have this kind of fans, you know. This kind of fan is the one you can use to move when you are moving from one place to another. The movers. This is how it looks like. And they have really named it out of war crows. This is how it looks like. And it is in a very silent place. Even you cannot know it very easily, you know. But as we explore, we always look for things which are edulisia. So it's in this place. And they have named it. They always have small vehicles. They also have the fans for taking things from one place to another. Also change tires. They also have oil. They can change for you oil. And then they do some choreos. And also mechanic place. We are here to explore, inspire you, and show you new things, you know. This is the struggles of doing gardening. You get to explore new place. And for example, when I will be moving maybe one day, one time, I will automatically know where the place is, you know. It does not mean that if you are looking for something, you need it that day. You may need it tomorrow or any other day, or one of your friends requires it. So you will be able to tag your friends here and there as you explore together. So let's go for it. Yes. It was hard for me to open this thing. I had to call for help, to be helped. Yes. We have given the keys to come and open.
Let's see.
So we open here. It's not opening. It's not opening. It's now time. Yes. Come. Yes. Enough is enough. Let's deck the soil now. The soil is here. Imagine this one is 10 euro. Why should you struggle with a lot of things? This one is very cheap. Let's take the spades and do the work. That's better. It's now time to walk. Wait for me. Oh, we are now done. It's full with the beautiful sceneries. The beautiful sceneries. These are the struggles of being a gardener. So, and you can see the far end there. My people, I'm sharing this journey of gardening so that when we will be harvesting the fruits, you will know that it's not easy. It's not easy, but here it is. Yes. So we are going to the next phase of offloading. Stay tuned. Have you ever missed to be a conductor? Nani, twende. Being a conductor in Kenya is very lively, lively, because you only say twende, ingia, push. That's when you really have the missing home vibes, You encourage yourself, nani, boya sisale. Beautiful. Yes, let's go. We just arrived and it started to rain, so we are struggling to cover this one, Let me take you. Next phase is to carry the soil now. We are bringing our soil here. My people, God's blessings are wonderful. We just arrived home like this and it started to rain. Blessings. We tap the blessings, So, next phase is to bring the soil to the farm. But we see that it just drizzled and it is gone. So we thank the Lord so much. Let me show you where we are bringing the soil. It's a real struggle, but it's also fun. It's also a form of exercise, and it's also a form of appreciating the creation. The way it is drizzling. You can see here I have planted some black shade. But the soil which we are bringing is here. This is where we are going to put the soil. This part here, we don't have soil. So this part, all this. Remember our garlic? This one here. So they are growing. I don't know how it should grow, but welcome. Hilona is here to tell you that everything is possible wherever you are, provided you have passion. Passion can move mountains. Passion, purpose, and that thing, you go for it. Cutting out, go for it. Stay tuned. Let's go. Yes. When preparing these boxes, this one is an old box which I transferred. That's why you see it's worn out, but it still works. Even the old cat still drinks milk. Okay. So when putting it down, you put the boxes. The boxes will help to control the weeds from growing. Available thing is what we are using. So the journey continues. Yes. This is the final thing. After putting the soil, this is how it is. And I have secured this plant here. This is a fruit. A fruit which is growing slowly by slowly. Gardening abroad, it's a struggle of its own. But if you have the passion, it moves mountains. So I really feel a fresh person after doing all this. It's like going to the gym. So there is one thing I have always learned about life. A very important thing. always give flowers to people when they can always still say thank you, or when they are still able to say thank you, when they are still able to appreciate, you know. Always give a thank you to somebody who has touched your life in one way or another when they can still say thank you. Most people, we always wait until the last minute when we are laying people to rest. That's when we come running with all types of flowers, all kinds of flowers, you know. But I am here to encourage you and tell you that each and every day is a special day. It doesn't mean that we wait for Father's Day for us to appreciate the fathers, or we wait for Mother's Day for us to appreciate the mothers, or we wait for any other special day or birthday for us to appreciate the people in our life. But it is my encouragement that let's appreciate each other when we are still happy, when we are still alive, when we are still struggling with the struggles of this world here and there, that may we live to appreciate each day and appreciate the people around us each and every time. Never take anything for granted. Never take anything for granted. The small things makes a difference. It does not mean that it should be a old world for you to present something to somebody. That's a small thing. Even that saying thank you is enough to move mountains, you know. So thank you so much for watching this video. This video entailed different kinds of things. For example, going through the struggles of gardening here in Finland, and that thing was instilled in us when we were still young, that you can do the nature things by exploring the farming things, exploring the gardening things, and whatever you do with your hands, you get to appreciate it more and more when you see the results are out. So I'm encouraging you, my people, that whatever you do, love it. Whatever you do, embrace it. Whatever you do, take it to the next level. Small always becomes bigger at the end of it all. So my people, once again, to all fathers all over the world who have celebrated this day, it may not be a Father's Day in the country you are or any other country, but each and every day is worth celebrating individuals. Whether they have done something or they have not done something, they are worth to be appreciated. Each and every person is important, and they are created in the image and likeness of God, you know, and that's why we have to appreciate them very much. So let's give flowers to people when they can still say thank you. And thank you for watching this video. It really makes a difference. Let's put our thumbs up, let's subscribe, let's comment, let's share to our friends, and always appreciate that friend of yours also. So from me, Ilona_KE, I'm telling you, bye bye. Kabush. We are pushing forward each and every day. Thank you.